Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lanyard mockup on Canva. So first head over to canva.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on the create button. Now choose a size where you want to create your lanyard mockup. Next, in a new tab, head over and search for lanyard PNG and look for a lanyard template that you can use. It's better to pick one that is of solid color like this one. So in our example, we're just going to copy this PNG photo, right click and click on copy image, then head back to Canva and we're just going to paste it here in our canvas. So we're just going to drag and resize this. Then next in the left panel, click on Elements. Then we're going to click on Frame. Just drag this square frame to your canvas. And we're going to resize this frame the same with our lanyard. So size it up, position it towards our lanyard like this one. So you don't have to strictly follow the shape of our template, but the more accurate you are, the better. So we're just going to put it up like this. Then we're just going to duplicate this one. Right click, then click on duplicate, then position it on the other side. Once again, copy or duplicate this, then position it on the top corner of our lanyard. The next step is upload the design that you want for your lanyard. So in the left panel, click on Uploads, click on Upload Files. So say for example, I'm going to use this design for my lanyard mockup. So I would like to place this one design on all the corners of our lanyard. And all we have to do is drag this and put it here. So since we want to put it all, we're just going to duplicate this into 3 parts. Then drag each for each corner. First in here, then in here, and on the top. So you can also make adjustments to the layers. Right click, then bring to front. The same with the other side. And this is the easiest way and the simplest way on how to create a lanyard mock-up. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!